because I'm an idiot and I only just realized this would be a great video and helping you guys with this, I started a bit late filming, so I already took out the EGR valve and the cooler. This is a Volvo XC60, but the cleaning process is the same. And I'm also a bit late because I already started cleaning the EGR cooler. So this is the EGR valve. I haven't cleaned it yet, but you can imagine how the cooler looked before, by how full of carbon the EGR valve is. So here we have our EGR cooler already shining. So what you need is just some oven cleaner. Some people will say that the oven cleaner is going to destroy the aluminium, but you are not leaving it for 10,000 years on the cooler. It's just for a couple of minutes. So you need your EGR cooler, your oven cleaner, and a pressure washer. Look at that carbon coming right out. Obviously it helps if you let the oven cleaner soak for a little bit. You give it some water, you spray it again, but just look at that deposit coming out. But look how clean. The cooler already looks. I'm going to use the oven cleaner also on the EGR valve. And this is the end results, my friends. I still need to wipe it, wipe the edges, as you can see here, with the degreaser, and but I'm pretty happy with the end result. I mean, just focus a bit. Just look at how clean everything is and shiny. And also check out my EGR valve, how nice and shiny it is. I still need to take some a metal brush here on the edges, because you can see they're pretty sticky there. It's very good. Yeah, here it is. See, pretty nice. So always have your oven cleaner around the house. Look at the plate, how clean it is. Everything runs nice and smoothly. Let me just look at here. Everything shines. And now I just have to put everything back together. This is not the fun part.